Hello, my name is Inaaya. Welcome to my mom's channel, Cuisine Motion. Today we're gonna make Gato Pima. We're gonna soak the dhal overnight. Next morning, we're gonna drain all the water. Now we're gonna grind the dhal on the curry. If you don't have a curry, you can use a normal blender to grind the dhal. As you can see in the video, my nanny is grinding the dhal into a fine paste. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and then grind it together. Transfer your mixture into a plate. And now we're going to get some herbs in my nanny garden. We're gonna go get some curry leaves now. This is the coriander. It's very pretty, the red chillies, isn't it? That's my favorite herb, the spring onions. Now let's chop the vegetables. We need 2 medium onions. Now we chop them into finely cubes. Let's chop the coriander. Now it's the spring onion's turn. And they cut the curry leaves. Finally, chop the dried chillies. Add how many chilies you want, and we like it spicy. Add the dhal mixture into a big bowl. Add all the following ingredients. One teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Heat up your pan on medium. Let's pour some vegetable oil. Form a loose ball with your dhal mixture. Fry them until it's golden brown and crispy. It looks very yummy. You can serve your Gato Pima with warm bread and butter. The special bit of the video to make Salade Gato Pima. The following ingredient is sliced onion and some green chili, diced tomatoes, finely chopped coriander, olive oil, salt to taste, vinegar, finally black pepper. Mix. The salad is ready. This is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye.